No plan B is AD. You already see. Hey man, why you still not profitable? Why? Why? Is it just strategy? Is it these market conditions? Is it the market makers? Is it the big money? Is it Uncle Donnie destroying your plans with his tweets? Is it the bombings? What is it? What is it? Is it over leverage? You know, what's going on really? Why are you not profitable? You know, why can't you just predict a market and be right more times than you're wrong? Why? You know, it's not like the market is run by an algorithm that we have no control over. You know, it's not like, you know, the game isn't rigged for you to lose. That's not the case. What's going on? Why? What's going on, everybody? Topic of the day. Why are you still not profitable? And it's not your strategy. So I got some bulletins. You know, I like my bulletins. So here we go. You don't trust your system. You sabotage it. Now, I am an intuitive trader. You know, I do a bunch of different strategies. I trade price action, you know, and I kind of just do whatever, honestly. But, you know, I still have a little structure to what I'm trying to do. So if you don't have at least some structure in what you're trying to do, you know, you really out here just raw dogging these markets, getting straight freaky, you know, you're going to have to do something about that. You know, I like to get freaky too, but you don't see me raw dogging. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm a man of God. I'm a Christian man. And I'm not married yet, so I ain't getting freaky out here. But the point of it is you need structure. You need structure in your trading, right? You need structure and you need consistency. Because I've done all kinds of different strategies and I can tell you right now they all work. They all work. It's kind of crazy how they all work, honestly. You know, one man's Fibonacci level is another man's fair value gap, which is another man's support and resistance, which is another man's, you know, VWAP level. You know, it's crazy how they all intertwine. You know what I'm saying? So why you ain't winning? You know, why you not, what's going on? If it all works, what's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. You're not being consistent. You're not being consistent. And you're not trading probabilities. This is a probability game. I don't care how good your back test says. I got back tests on strategies that say 80% win rate. I run them things live and it's slapping me around. It's sending me back to the Stone Age, as Donnie would say. It's obliterating my bank account. So I'm telling you right now, it's not the strategy. It's not. It's the consistency. But not even just that. It's the mindset. You ain't trading probabilities. That's the issue. This market ain't fair. It ain't never been fair. It ain't never gonna be fair. It doesn't care about you. It don't. All it cares about is getting your money. That's it. So that what you gotta do is you gotta stay in the game long enough. Risk management. That's what we need to talk about. The reason why these evals are so hard is because you only have 30 days. So your risk management has to be on point. You can't risk too much and you can't risk too little. It's tough out here, but you can do it. You can. So you got to keep in mind, you got to gauge how much you need to win this month. You know, what's your stop loss limit for the week or for the day? You know, you got to trust your strategy. You got to trust the probability even more than the strategy. You know what I'm saying? That's why I always say I'm 50-50 on this. Because I am. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if I win or lose this trade. Because I know if I'm 50-50 and I'm doing a 2-to-1, it doesn't matter. So, back to the question. Why? 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 You're still not profitable. It's either the strategy, which I doubted, the inconsistency, which I also doubted, because I know a lot of you traders are out here spending hours and hours back testing and looking up indicators and YouTube and ChatGPT and, you know, you're putting the time in. I know it. So what is it? Risk management and not trading probabilities. That's what it is. I'm telling you. Hey man, this isn't financial advice, but I'm telling you. Look into it, man. That's all I'm saying. Hey, what do I know? I'm just some guy. I'm no plan B AD. You know what I'm saying? I got one more bulletin. One more bulletin. I'm gonna let you guys on your way. Because I'm still waiting for this trade to play. I'm still waiting. So check this out. It's not what you're using. It's how you commit. Now, if you getting timid up in these trades, you see your strategy, you know your probability, you feel me? And you don't pull the trigger and you miss your trade, hey man, you're going against your probabilities. You know what I'm saying? Because that could have been a win. That could have been something. But you didn't pull the trigger. Now you pull the trigger on another play. It doesn't go your way. Now you're blaming your strategy. You need to be blaming yourself. Straight up. Like a layup. All right? So that's all I got for you today. I got, hey, this just some things to think about as to why you ain't profitable. Okay? So I hope this video helps you guys out. I appreciate you guys for watching. And as always, no plan B. It's AD. You already see. Peace.